Lightning safety. What is the 30-30 rule? The 30-30 rule gives sports coaches a clear action plan to follow in the case of a thunderstorm. Once the flash to bang or lightning to thunder reaches 30 seconds or less, all activities should stop and all individuals instructed to take appropriate shelter. Activities should not resume until at least 30 minutes after the last sound of thunder or flash of lightning and conditions are completely safe. Each time lightning is observed or thunder is heard, the 30-minute clock should be restarted. All thunderstorms are potentially dangerous. Coaches must be prepared to take appropriate action when they occur.